Hey, this is Larry. Today we're going to talk about the most common questions for plate compactors. Leave questions you have in the comments below, and let's get started. Should you buy or rent a plate compactor? If you guys are using a plate compactor more than a few times, you should really highly consider buying a plate compactor. Now, I wrote down a couple numbers on here just for some quick calculations, but let's say you're going to buy a plate compactor. And you're going for a smaller unit. To rent a plate compactor, it's $144 for a daily rental, and then it's $322 for a weekly rental and $812 for a monthly rental. Now this is where they get you. It's $390 for delivery and pickup, then they have insurance of $35, and then they have additional environmental and taxes. So it gets there quick. Now if I'm getting a small plate compactor, I should, like a little smaller than this one, I should consider like a $1,200 to a $1,600 price point. So if you're doing the numbers and we're just doing weekly rentals throughout, like, let's say a half year or a quarter, if you're renting a plate compactor for $144 a day, and you can buy one anywhere between the $1,200 and $1,600 mark, with all those deliveries, environmental and taxes, that means you shouldn't really be renting this more than 3 times. So in short, guys, if you have 2 projects in a quarter in 3 months, buying a plate compactor is going to be the better option. The payoff's going to be there. It's going to be better for your bottom line, and you're also going to own the piece of equipment. So you'll have it for years, and you can use it for other future projects. It's another tool in your toolbox. So the payoff period is a lot quicker than you would imagine. So you really have to take a look at these things, consider buying one, investing, and it's going to end up better for you. All right, guys, you made it through. Thanks for learning about Tomahawk plate compactors. If we didn't get one of the questions you had answered, leave a comment below with your question. We look forward to being part of your success, and we'll see you guys out there in the field.